Located in Ho Chi Minh City, Landmark 81 proudly stands as the tallest building in Vietnam and one of the tallest in Southeast Asia, dominating the city skyline with its impressive height of over 460 meters. As you enter the building, you're greeted by a luxurious and modern ambience. Landmark 81 hosts upscale apartments, high-end offices, exclusive shops, and a five-star hotel. A highlight of your visit is the observation deck on the 79th floor. From here, you can enjoy breathtaking panoramic views of the city and the Saigon River, offering a new perspective on the bustling metropolis below. But the excitement doesn't end there. For the adventurous at heart, Landmark 81 offers a unique experience. You can safely walk on a glass skywalk, securely harnessed, for an exhilarating and unforgettable journey high above the city. Planning your visit? Admission to Landmark 81 is currently priced at around $15. As you journey through Landmark 81, you'll be amazed by the grandeur of this architectural masterpiece and the refined details throughout. It's not just a building but a symbol of modernity and progress for Vietnam.